Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your video with the speed ramp transitions in CapCut. So here I've already have 4 clips imported to CapCut, and what you need to do to have that speed ramp transition is click on the clip, go to speed, click on curve, and then create this custom speed ramp. So for the first beat and also the end, you need to increase it like this, increase the speed, and then for the third and the second and the fourth, just increase it a bit like this. And you need to do this for all of the clips. So just repeat the steps like this for all of your clips. Okay, one more. And after this, you are done. Just click on a check icon and you'll see this result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. Bye.